Got these little ornaments at the Dollar Tree, and I'm using 10-inch Deca mesh and these 6 ribbons. And we're going to make a ruffle wreath with ribbon. So, what I did is I cut my ribbon 12 inches and made little triangles on the end. I have them all prepped right here. As you can see, pretty fall colors. I did 21 rolls of the gray and 30-inch sections of the orange and the green for the ruffles. I strung the little bitty ornaments onto my pipe cleaners so that they're ready to go. I was short just a few, but I'm just going to put them in there. So we're going to make a ruffle. So we're going to lay it out, our 30-inch long green mesh, and we'll fold over the very end of the end and 3-inch it together in the middle to the other side and fold over the very end of that one to make a ruffle. Then we'll take our tan color and we will roll it into a round cylinder and put in the middle. And we will add one of our ribbons that we already cut. And we put our pipe cleaner around the middle and secure it by twisting about 3 times with our little ornament in the middle. And once we've done all of that, we will spread our ruffle out and put it onto our wreath frame. And we're going to put 3 on each section of our wreath frame. We have 7 sections on our frame. And we will alternate green and orange and green and orange. So, and 3 in each section. There is one section all done, all pretty. And there is the whole wreath that is finished. We'll put our diamond art in the middle, and it's just as pretty as it can be.